Welcome back to a YouTube video. Today we're playing I Am Monkey. Don't ask. But I found this game on Google Play. So, let's go and jump right into this.
It shatters your grin.
Too slow, monkey. These bars aren't made for you. Almost had it. Almost.
Monkey strike knocked him out. Fast.
Talk to me that way.
My legs can't keep up with my
Hi.
Meet the penguin and open the skins menu.
Get your dodge, your call. Check this out, check this out. Between bars beyond grasp. Try walking on this. I'm not locked here. Fancy footwork you can't replicate. Bet you wish you had sneakers, fuzzball. Knee-lift, dodge, can't touch this. Fancy footwork you can't replicate.
Was it on purpose?
Free concussion, no refunds.
Signed up for thrills, got stills. Come on, buddy, liven it up. This'll teach you to quit your monkey business.
Hi. Roll call. One curious visitor. One curious critter. Stay in line, monkey.
Is it strong enough to keep that unit? Camera in hand. Who is the animal here? Get out and face me. Monk, think you're tough? A camera in monkey paws promises a series of hilariously unpredictable snapshots. Oh, wake up. Please wake up. Stop. Say cheese. Extra stinky. Just how you like it.
Hi, dummy. I came for smarts. Found bananas.
Come on. Oh! Ouch.
Ooh.
I think he was crying.
Catch me if you can.
Somebody, anybody, show me the exit.
Give some food to the little monkey. Is that you?
Try walking on these.
Get back here.
lowers your IQ to enclosure levels. Consider this a blunt force eviction notice.
Juicy loop.
Was that just luck? Shake it. Let me test the bars. I wonder how it feels on the other side of the bars. Let me test the bars.
Why? Free Sam, don't do that.
Lie down, Furbag. Here comes the hurt.
How did that get into the cage?
Blink twice if you understand basic math. Thought so.
This was not on the itinerary.
How did that get into the cage?
Where did it go? I think I threw it. Talk to the elephant.
These won't hold you, would they?
Target locked. Prepare to kiss the dirt.
Okay.
Meet gravity, cage crawler.
He missed. 14 minutes.
I am not locked here. Snack cart calls pretzel beats primate back any day.
Get back here.
Was that skill? Don't eat that.
Hi.
I wonder if I can get in.
There you go.
Ah!
Did the game froze. Yeah, I think the game froze. So, what we're gonna do in this situation is restart the game. There we go, you guys. I had to restart the game. The game froze.
Was that a well thought out grab or pure mischief?
Give me a fist bump, furry homie.
Free concussion, no refunds.
Feast your eyes on my glorious bottom.
Any chance this habitat comes with a welcome performance? Incoming Skull Crusher, brace for impact.
Oh no, here it comes again.
Try to touch me, stupid.
I start throwing glass bottles in here. Should throw that who?
Monkey got a bottle.
This is why I don't skip leg day.
Knock knock. Sawdust has deeper conversations than you. Intentional or a fluke? Why is it so empty? Seems to be quiet. Ooh, he's down. Help! Signed up for thrills, got stills. Come on, buddy, liven it up. Don't test my patience. Don't sprint. They said bite me, and I'll help. Watch it, monkey.
Great. Another empty cage and one empty-headed ape. Over here, buddy. Give us a wave. Monkey see, monkey do.
Who's talking?
Monkey with a bottle is a recipe for refreshing chaos in the jungle. Check out the rear view.
I wonder if I can get in.
Can I get in?
Catch me if you can.
Knock knock. Still quiet. Ooh. Somebody cue the cartoon Tweety Bird.
You just don't know what you. Yeah.
The keeper said this one's particularly inventive with tools, eyes peeled. I'd wave back, but I don't speak idiot in sign language.
I have heard one of those before.
Don't strain yourself. One thought per day, tops. Movement noted, behave. Medic, we've got a human pancake. Wait, that monkey just grabbed it as if it knows how to use it. Escape route, any route. Ooh! All clear.
Can I get in?
Ooh.
Oh!
Ooh.
Can you get in?
Souvenir ever. Sheer terror.
I was gonna help you get in.
What are you up to? Well, hello. Airmail from the visitor section. Sawdust has deeper conversations than you.
Heads up, Hairball.
Flavor level. Grandma's secret recipe, but with fur. Ooh.
How did the animal do that? I've got the cage on lockdown.
I can see. Been
Why
married.
is this happening to me?
Finally reached the monkey zone. Show me some mischief.
Trying to touch me. Who's the clever one now? Seriously? My shadow's doing things around your town.
Nice cage. Matches your IQ. 0 floor speed.
What the? What are all these people?
We met prank. Jump higher, cage clown. Gravity hates you. Wait, I thought these would be made of soap.
You take a cigarette? Yeah.
Bonus round. Projectile.
Ah!
That's not the kind of pack you should be joining.
Would you take a cigarette? They're really
Where's
bad
it?
for you.
Eyes on you, furball. Swift monkey move had him out before I blinked.
Hey. I'm sorry. So not again. Dude, don't forget your cigarette. Oh, never mind. I guess I can't give you your cigarette. Yeah, run off. Okay. Pack of cigarettes. Yeah. Here you go. Yeah.
Is this the calm before the chaos, or just a slow day? That's adorable, still not waving back.
I will get your
Over here,
cigarette.
buddy. Give us a wave.
5 seconds in. I regret stopping here. Keep it calm. Keep it civil.
Well, hello. Feast your eyes on my glorious bottom.
I'll take a picture of it.
Yo, little guy.
Fastball straight to Fluffy.
I wonder if this whole... Catch me if you can.
Here you go.
Rear view. Enjoy it.
That's straight up kidnapped tourist. Moving.
Yeah, now I got you in here.
Poor fella, get them some help.
Plot twist. They're the new exhibit called Oops.
I think someone got it too.
Almost had it. Almost. In a flash, he was out like a light.
No more jokes. Get me out.
Tiny cage. Do something.
Get them out fast.
This ain't the donkey.
Dude, that grip could bend steel.
Please help me.
My legs can't keep up with my panic.
No more jokes. Let me out.
Somebody get them out of there!
Out of my way.
Who put human on the exhibit list? Knew the idiot exhibit would be popular. Here we are.
Dangle, dangle. No grab for you. Shake it. That was a swing and a miss, literally.
I'm gonna pull someone else in.
Incoming special delivery. Stick it. Stop. Help. Knee lift. Doc, get your hand off them, you filthy animal. Stay away from me, rabbit animal.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a cigarette.
Someone call the health inspector. Oh no, help.
Treasure them.
They clearly need help.
How did they get there?
Lick the bush, jungle region.
I'm kind of jealous of the cage.
Where's the info plaque, fur brain? Oh, right, you ate it.
Ouch! Oof! Imagine being outsmarted. Ooh!
Ah, what is? He's down. Help! Ooh! Ah!
Who thought that this would...
You ain't going anywhere. You came to me, you stay.
Feel the wrath of a bored visitor.
Case closed, furball. Where's the star of the show
Imagine
hiding?
being outsmarted by a steel bar. consider this enrichment existential dread. I bet it is sad in there. The monkey won't pull me in, right? These won't hold you, would they?
Talk about fast food. He just ninja'd that fly.
Monkey see, monkey do. It's 5 o'clock somewhere in the jungle. Tastes like expired sadness.
The keeper said this one's particularly inventive with tools. Eyes peeled. Bite down, Furbag. Here comes the hurt. There goes my drink. Cheers, primate. Oh! You messed with tourists. We'll meet the Catch of the day. Hope you're hungry.
Don't take too
Help
long.
them. Somebody, anybody, show me the exit. Stay down.
Somebody, anybody show me the exit.
Bring you a hat.
I bet it is sad in there.
I need those.
Lick my boot, animal. I get to walk outside on these.
Get security.
Ah.
For a good link. Time to audition for the 100-meter dash.
Incoming skull crusher. Brace for impact. Okay then.
I'd been with the sunglasses.
How did they get there?
You're stuck in the room.
They're the whole exhibit.
Somebody, anybody, show me the exit. Ooh. He's not consent. Ever heard of it, monkey?
Stay furry, stay quiet.
Lick my boot, animal. Try to catch this.
No, I guess I need headphones. Oh.
Chat, look.
That. I think that left.
Bone breaker special. Straight to your dome.
Oh.
Monkey got a camera. Click. That's your new profile pic, furry friend.
Didn't plan that. Catch of the day. Hope you're hungry.
I get strategy.
Hold still, this one's going on the gram. For you, premium zoo experience.
Ow. Try to touch me.
Hey, catch.
That is too much for me.
I wonder if I can get in. Let me in. Let me in. Munch time.
I didn't mean to throw it at him.
I have to get out of here.
Ice cream? Someone want ice cream?
Cute space.
I gotta watch.
Like, oh, sharing is caring. Delicious. I hear the red pandas are extra playful this afternoon. Worth a look.
Tiny jungle here. I'd wave back, but I don't speak idiot in sign language.
Let me test the bars.
Flame on, bad idea.
I did have a carton of cigarettes. Somewhere.
Come on, stretch those arms.
Hit you over the ground.
Ooh, imagine being outsmarted by a steel bar. I bet it is sad in there.
Wait, I thought these would be made of soap. Come on, stretch those arms. Bug snack.
Try to catch this. Vitamin C? More.
Flavor so bad, even flies filed complaints.
Not delish. Eye level with my socks. Ooh.
Somebody ate a bug.
I'm aiming for the soft spot between your ears.
Anyone home, or is it nap time? I'm starting the wave. Your turn.
Watch these boots. Try to keep up if you can.
Eat this, you flea-ridden runt.
Oh, nice fit. Ah.
Oh God, help me out.
I want that.
I am getting in. Okay then. Ah.
A camera. Zooming in on maximum monkey mayhem.
Don't sprint, they sense fear. Too late.
Laugh it up, dummy. Joke's on you, literally.
Yeah.
Monkey see, monkey can't do. It's stabbing. Ooh. Ah. Get me out of here.
That's a small cage.
I have to get out of here.
Would you have to come in?
Hello, resident primate. Care to indulge a curious tourist?
It's free. Oh, not again. Okay, guys, said that the game froze again. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna say, really enjoyed this. It's really fun, really enjoyable. Yeah. But thank you guys for watching. I would really enjoy it if it didn't freeze. But thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.